its establishment in October 2017, Shandong Aike Holding Group has been rooted in the Duzhou Economic Development Zone, leveraging its unique geographical advantages and well-connected transportation network to achieve leapfrog development. With a total investment of 118 million yuan and a site area exceeding 10,000 square meters, the company specializes in the research and production of fresh air conditioning systems, fan coil units, heat pump units, and other products, offering cost-denial solutions for diverse scenarios. Aike Holding Group boasts a professional team dedicated to research, production, and sales, and has established a rigorous quality management system. Every stage from meticulous raw material procurement to stringent finished product inspection is subject to comprehensive and detailed control. The company's products have not only obtained EUCE certification, but have also been awarded ISO Quality Management System certification, laying a solid foundation for its expansion into international markets. Currently, Aike Holding Group's products have been successfully exported to multiple countries. With outstanding product performance and a strong market reputation, the company has established long-term and stable cooperative relationships with overseas clients. Adhering to an open collaboration philosophy and guided by customer needs, Aike continuously innovates and optimizes its services, striving to become a trusted partner in the global HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry.